This is Miss Shelby's 6th grade choir class, and today, guys, our lesson is introducing eighth notes in context of sight reading. So today's objective is to learn to recognize eighth notes and to feel what they feel like in context of a 4-beat phrase. Okay. So first, what we're going to do though is review what we've already previously learned, our quarter notes and half. Okay. So can anybody tell me how many beats are in a whole note?
4.
4. Correct. Awesome. Now, how many in a half note? 2. Very good. 4.
1.
Very good. Okay. So let's practice that. So everyone, remember we keep a beat on our chest. Because if we move it to another part of our body, if we clap, sometimes that gets us off rhythm. But if we keep it on our chest, it's a very stabilized beat. Feel that? Okay. So, remember, we're going to say T instead of 3. So, T instead of 3, because 3 is sometimes too long. We get a soft beat. So, 1, 2, T, 4. 1, 2, T, 4. 1, 2, T, 4. Very good, very good. Keeping a nice, steady beat. So, we are going, okay, now we're going to learn a new thing. We learned our whole notes, our half notes, and quarter. Now the eighth note. Now, can anybody give me a guess of what an eighth note possibly could sound like? You like?
Maybe it could have like this.
Like that? Faster. Okay. Maybe concept. Alright, so everyone, let's do that again. Keep a beat on our chest. 1, 2, T, 4. 1 and 2 and T and 4 and 1 and 2 and T and 4. Very, very good. So now, eighth note looks like this. See? There's 2. We're going to say the 1, and we do a little plus sign for and, so we don't have to write out the word. And so this is going to equal, does anybody know what 2 of these equal? Anyone guess what 2 eighth notes will equal?
Quarter note?
Correct. Very, very good. Okay. So now, we tried beating it on our chest. 1 and 2 and T and 4 and 1 and 2 and T and 4 and. Very, very good. Now what we're going to try to do is apply it. Okay. So we remember what our quarter notes are and our quarter rests. Remember, just keep the beat on your chest and don't say anything. So are we ready to try? I'll turn on the metronome. So let's start. We're going to count off 1, 2, 3, 4, and then start. Okay? So 1, 2, T, 4.
1, 2, T, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's okay. Keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Let's wrap. All right. Woo. Okay, so what went right during that? What did we get? What did we do well? The steady beat. You guys kept a steady beat. Even if you guys said the wrong thing, that's very important. No matter what, always keep that steady beat. And so what are some things that could be fixed? Okay, so we realized our mistake, but that's fine because we kept that steady, constant beat, so it's easy fix. If we got off beat, it's harder to fix those kinds of things. If you say the right thing, you're not on beat, it's not right. So, you guys got that. Okay, so we're going to try that again. So, first, let's practice beating half notes. So, we're going to do 2 half notes. Perfect. So, what does that feel like? So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, Okay, very good. Now we're going to try doing the whole note, because I think that's what happened is we're putting them all together, and then we got scared of the eighth note, so that affected everything. So what does the whole note sound like when we're doing it? One. Okay. All right. So, and let's try the eighth note again. Right. So let's count off in quarter notes, and then eighth note with sorry. Okay, we're going to start off doing quarter notes, saying quarter notes, and then the next after we say 4, then we're going to do 1 and 2 to get that feeling again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and T and 4 and 1 and 2 and T and 4 and 1. Very good. All right. So, do we want to try again? Okay. Count off again. 1, 2, T, 4.
1, 2, T, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3.
Much better. Much better. Okay. So now this time, what went right? What did we get that improved from the last time we did it? The eighth notes were much better. Anything else? Because I saw some very impressive things. Yes.
The first part we got the 1.
Very good. Okay, so just some things. When we get to this one, we just hit our chest. We don't say anything because we just think in your head off. So when you did your 1, 2, T, and that would keep you still like saying something, but not. And your eighth notes were very good. You got that with the 1, 2, and so for this one was another trouble spot. Is so 1, 1, 2, and T next. Okay. You want to try it again? All right. One, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, T. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and T. 1.
Much better. Almost perfect. We'll do it one more time. Can anybody tell me what we did wrong this time?
When it said, the 55 time, somebody was
Well, we want to keep a steady beat, but we wanted to say off. That's fine. No. Okay. And anybody else notice anything?
kind of right after that.
Brushed it. Okay. You got something?
No.
Okay. No. All right. So one little thing I noticed is we anticipated the eighth note. So when we got to a quarter, which should have just been 1, 2, we said 1 and 2. We made the quarter note into an eighth note, 2 eighth notes there. So, want to try it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, T. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and T, and 4, 1.
Perfect. Guys, that was wonderful. Great job. Okay. Now, I think I have a challenge for you guys. Since we learned through that, we got through that process, I have a little bit of a harder one for you guys. So, I'm going to give you guys 20 seconds to look this over, kind of see, kind of plan out what we're doing. You can kind of quietly tap your chest, but think it in your head what's supposed to be happening. Okay? Okay. Okay. You good? Alright. So we're we're going to do the same thing. We're going to count in 4, and we're going to try it. You guys can do this. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4.
Okay. That was actually really good. This is challenging. This is very challenging, and that was actually a really, really good job. Okay. So where were the trouble spots?
After the A did those two quarters to the done.
Okay. And what else?
I think we did a half notes.
Where was that? Right here? Mm-hmm. Anybody else?
Right there. We messed up right there.
Did we rush it? Right there? Okay. Do the same.
Well, I was gonna say we had the 8 notes sort of in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
It's more like that 4.
Okay. Very good. You guys are recognizing it and you see what happens, so you can fix it. That's very good. You're not just sitting there and confused. You guys understand this. So we're going to try it again. Oh, yeah.
After the are we doing 1?
What you do is you go 1. So you're beating the 2, but you're just still saying 1.
That's what it's meant to be.
So the next one is T. T or 3. Because, since we're going at the slowest pace, if 3 is easier for you, then you may say it. It's when we're going fast, like when we get to harder repertoire and stuff, that you're going to want to say T instead. Because it's too difficult to say 3 when you're counting the
So the one after the half note is
3. Yes. 1, and then 2 silent. 3.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
All right. Very good. That's a very good question. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 4. 1 and 2 and 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 4.
Much, much better. That was really, really good, guys. There was only a few spots here and there, but I really think you guys got the concept. Do you feel confident in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All right. So, this is my wonderful class. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye. All right.